This invasion is insane.
Because it's an invasion.
I wish I were here with better.
Other crazy numbers today, these border numbers from December. Record-breaking migrant encounters, 302,000. If you look at other populations, Cincinnati, 309,000. Seattle, 749,000. That's the year to date, 785,000.
Mr. Governor, I am going to make your job much easier.
This invasion
You'll
is
be able to
insane.
focus on other things in Texas. We love Texas, and what they've done is very unfair. They've given the job to you.
Insane.
It's a job of security for our country. It's a job of stopping an invasion, because it's an invasion.
This invasion is
And you've done a great
insane.
job, and thank you very much for the endorsement, Greg. I appreciate it very much. Thank you.
This invasion is insane.